Fit type. Vehicle specific. Part number. Florida 820S. Included components. Florida 820S. Ohm equivalent part number. FL-820-S. Motorcraft filters are engineered to the high-quality standards of the Ford Motor Company and are recommended by Ford as the original equipment replacement filter for Ford, Lincoln and Mercury vehicles. They are designed to help protect against engine wear by screening out abrasives, such as carbon, sand, dust and bits of metal before they can get into your oil. Pressure relief valves help minimize the chance of contaminated oil circulating back into the engine and also help maintain the supply of oil to the engine under extreme cold conditions or if the filter gets clogged. The outer casings are constructed of steel, ironed for a precise fit, painted to resist rust and include flutings to ease removal. The efficient filter media offers increased dirt collecting capability and ability to capture more engine-harming particles. Silicone anti-drain back valves help prevent oil from draining out of the filter and engine when the engine is not running and resist the aging effects that an engine's high heat can cause. Top reviews from the United States. USA? These 820s filters are not the original style filters. The bypass valve is on the bottom of filter housing, causing dirty oil to recirculate into the system. The original Motorcraft 820s has the bypass valve on the top housing where it does not recirculate dirty oil held in the oil filter. These filters are knockoffs.